Good morning. Akvot Yeshua, last workday of the week. We're running towards Shabbat at a rapid pace, full speed. Looking forward to Shabbat. We are in the week of Teruma, that is the parasha for this week. And it made me think of, the creator of this entire universe. He decided one day that I'm going to create something very special. It says in Isaiah 43 verse 7 that we were created for His glory. Now glory is beauty, honor, perfections. Those are words that actually describe glory. So we were made for His purpose, for His enjoyment. That's why we were made. And if we were made for His enjoyment, His biggest desire, you know what that is? That is to dwell with us, to be with us. He says to Moshe, He says, I want you to build me a sanctuary so that I can dwell with you, so that I can be with you. Because He was in the cloud, He was in the fire column, but He wants to be closer. And He wants to be even closer than the tabernacle that was built in the desert. So He gave these instructions, particular instructions of how the tabernacle should be built. And if you want to know how artistically, magnificently crafted together you are, just go and read the detail of the tabernacle, because if so much detail goes into the tabernacle, imagine how much detail goes into you and me, because we were formed from His DNA. We have DNA of the Creator Most High in us. And in this tabernacle was a curtain, because when God initially dwelled with man in the garden, sin came. Okay, problem. Then in the tabernacle, because of His holiness and because of our sin, there was a curtain. But this curtain had to be torn. Who could tear it? The Word, who was there from the beginning, who through whom the entire creation was formalized. He was there from the beginning. And He said, I'll go and lay down my life. No problem. So that everybody that believes in me becomes sons and daughters of you, and you can dwell with them forever. You can be inside of them. You can take your tabernacle and put it inside of them. So let's tear the curtain. And this curtain was torn the day that Yeshua laid down His life. The Word teaches us that the curtain was torn from top to bottom. Torn from top to bottom. So that we could perpetually enter and be with our Father. And now our Father can dwell inside of you and me permanently. And that's why it's so important to akvot Yeshua, to put our footsteps in His footprints, so that we can do exactly as He does, because of what He did, and because we want to be with the Father.